Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when no sound plays after you connect your earbuds with a phone. Firstly, I recommend it to restart your audio player. So let's say you listen to music in SoundCloud, just remove this application from the cache, then open it again. And also I recommend it to go to the App Store or Play Store and check if you have the latest version for this application. And if you haven't updated, it can fix this problem. Next step is to restart your phone. I use these earbuds with a phone, so I need to restart a phone. If you have tablet, maybe you need to restart tablet. And the last one, if both of these methods didn't help you, we need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, at the back side of each earbud, we have touch controls. Right here we have a Motorola logo, this one is touch control. So, firstly, press and hold simultaneously on both of them until you will see the red LED light, because firstly we need to turn off these earbuds. Then release your finger and press and hold again for at least 10 seconds. So let's go, press and hold, we look for the red LED light. Here we go, release your finger and then press and hold again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After that you can release your fingers and we need to reconnect them with the phone. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget the device and forget device. After that, if you have Android, click Pair New Device at the top, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. After factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so you will see them at the device list, tap at your earbuds, and we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!